guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something super fun with Gigi. So we are going to make a personalized ornament with Giselle's handprint, I think, and footprint. We'll see. But yeah, the other day I was putting up my tree and putting all the ornaments on it, and I was like, something's missing. So then I actually went online and I found this ornament kit that Giselle is playing with right now. So I'm excited to open it with you guys and see what's inside. And I feel like it's a good thing to have forever. It's just good memories. If you are interested in knowing what's in this box and how to make it, just keep watching. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, she's just gonna hang out over here with her little snacks for a second while we open up this box together. So we do need scissors because we have to open up this box. So the first thing I see when I open this box is this little cute heart shape. I think that's super adorable. I guess that's the powder to make it. A little circle, another powder, a little ribbon. These are cute little letters, so we can like maybe write her name or something like that. These cute little bags, whatever. I guess I would put them back in there. No, actually I'm not. I guess this is just if you're gonna gift it to somebody, but we probably won't need this. But this is actually pretty cool. It has these little stringies, a bunch of ribbons of different colors. This is actually pretty cool because once the ornament is gonna be done and you take it off the tree, you can actually just put it on here and it will hold it. So you can just, you know, put it as a decoration somewhere in your house or something. And it comes, they have two of those. Oh, cute. They have paint in case you want to paint something. And then two little brushes. And this is like a little piece of straw, but I think I know what this is for. And then the instructions and some white paper. Not sure what this is. Oh, maybe it's to make it dry or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, that's what comes inside. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so the first step is we're gonna take this little white paper that was at the very bottom of the box. So do not throw this away because you will need it. So it says to open this up. I think this is gonna be super easy to do. So it wasn't a little plastic, but I guess it wasn't wrapped the right way. So here we go. Alright, so step 1 says prepare the working area by placing the paper mat on a flat surface. Line up the O-ring with the dotted line printing on the mat. I don't see any dotted lines, but I mean, it's not that hard. You just have to put the little O-ring on it. Wash and dry hands thoroughly. So I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Oh, and then you wanna make sure that it's filled evenly inside the ring. That's what it says basically. And then use the straw. I knew it was for that. The straw is to punch a hole. So you will be able to put these through. So let's punch the hole. So then it says you have to wash and dry your baby's foot. So we are going to use your foot. I hope her foot's not too big yet, because it says it's for newborns, but I'm hoping it still works for a 10-month-old baby. Okay, so I don't think her foot's gonna fit in because her foot's a little too big. It does say that it's for newborns, but I was hoping it was gonna work for her, but it doesn't work. So we're just gonna do her little hands. You know what? I'm gonna do it a little bit my way because I feel like this is not gonna work and I really want her footprint on it. So we're gonna start all over, and I feel like we are gonna make this work with a 10-month-old footprint on it. We're just gonna expand this and make this a little bigger, and we're just not gonna use the round for this one. I just feel like it's gonna be impossible to do her hands because she keeps moving, and make it as round as possible but big enough. We are going to put her foot on it. So here we go. There you go! Your foot's on there! There you go! It's so cute, guys. I will show you at the end of the video what it looks like. Alright, so now her footprint is here. I punched my hole already and I have her footprint, and now we're gonna use these cute little letters and we're gonna just write her name. Not gonna do her hand because she's not willing to do it and it's just pointless. So we're just gonna either throw this away or whatsoever. But so yeah, just make sure your baby's not gonna move because it's gonna be very hard, because they can punch holes with their nails and think that it's plate or something, and then it's just not gonna work out. So we just did her foot. I'm pretty sad because I did want to get her handprint, but oh well. Either you should do this when they're very, very little and they can still just open their hands while they're maybe asleep. I don't know how you do it, but if you can make that when they're little newborns or when they're little older and they know that they shouldn't move. But at least I got her foot. So we're just gonna keep her foot, and I'll just probably keep this clay for something else, or I'll just probably throw it away because it's pointless. I really wanted to have an ornament with something of her on our tree. I'm just gonna let it dry right now, and I'll probably paint it, and I'll probably put a cute ribbon. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I will show you guys the final result when it will be dry and when I'll paint it, but right now there's not much we can do. I can't wait for you guys to see the final result. So I will definitely link this down in the description down below. It's pretty fun to do, but like I said, you have to make sure your baby's not moving. I really wanted to have something like that so I can have a cute decoration and memory of her on my tree forever. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and let me know if you have purchased this and did it for yourself at home. I mean, Christmas is coming up, so this is a perfect gift to even get for anyone who has a newborn baby or kids, or even for yourself if you have children. I mean, it could be pretty fun to do. Like I said, it's memories on the tree. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm gonna go ahead and take care of Giselle. Yeah, so here's the final result.